Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance Deposit only way. Start by enabling two-factor authentication and completing identity verification, then link your bank or wallet. Always confirm the deposit currency and blockchain network, compare fees, and note any minimums. Keep transaction ID and screenshots until funds appear. If sending crypto, copy addresses carefully and use small test amounts first to verify the route and timing for your transfer. In this video, I will explain how to use Binance Deposit only ways. First, navigate to Wallet and select Fiat and Spot, then tap Deposit. For Fiat, choose your currency and preferred payment method, follow bank or card prompts, and confirm details. For crypto, select the coin and correct network, copy the deposit address, or scan the QR code. Send a small test transfer if you are unsure, and monitor the transaction status until confirmed. In this video, I will explain how to use Binance Deposit only way. If a deposit is pending, review the transaction on the Blockchain Explorer using the TZID and confirm required confirmations. For wrong network transfers, gather TZID, amounts, and addresses before contacting Binance support. Avoid sharing verification codes or recovery phrases and enable withdrawal whitelist for extra safety. Regularly reconcile deposits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.